Hello everyone, we are the students of DV Model School, IIT Kharagpur. We are here for the ATL Marathon 2020 and we represent the Coding Ventures team of the following members.
Hello, this is Shubham Gupta.
And hello, this is Rudra Shahu.
And hi, this is Shaptadeep Chakraborty. So moving on to the next slide. So here we have put on some survey questions to analyze our problem statement. Question number 1, what do you think is the cause of illiteracy? And question number 2, do you think that reservation in government institutions till not benefited the backward classes in the society?
Question number 3, why do you think what is the main reason behind the lack of development of that class? Question number 4, is unemployment the main cause of child labor?
Question number 5, do people of that class get appropriate wages according to their work done? And question number 6, how do you think you can improve their dignity of living?
So moving on to the next slide. For ATL Marathon 2020, we have selected the marathon pillar number 8, that is demography, which includes to innovate system to provide access to technology, skill development, and employment opportunities for the backward states and sections of society. Our theme for our project is eradicating literacy and modernizing our society. The next slides will be taken over by Shubham.
Thank you, Saptadeep. So this is Shubham Gupta. Now I am going to tell you about the reason for choosing this topic. There are mainly three reasons: illiteracy, poverty, and unemployment. Illiteracy has become a grave problem and it needs a firm remedy. Poverty has made education unaffordable for capable students who are not much privileged. Illiteracy also leads to unemployment. So one who desires a perfect earning job for himself needs to gain education. An educated person is said to be an asset for the country. Moving on to the next slide. These are some illustrations based on our project or our problem statement. There are three pictures. The first picture depicts that a person needs work, which state he is unemployed. This girl is suffering from poverty and is hungry, and he is illiterate. So, unemployment, poverty, and illiteracy are the three major problems our team wants to create attention to. Now, the following slides will be taken over by the Rudra. Rudra, you may continue.
Yeah, your screen is not visible. Your screen is stuck. Okay. Thank you, Shubham. Now I will be telling you some easy solutions to the problem. Illiteracy is directly responsible for unemployment and indirectly responsible for poverty. Now, people who are literate can easily get jobs based on their qualifications and skill set, being able to generate income to rear their stomachs. But what about the poor people who can't afford education? For the ones who can't afford standard education, cheap and modest education is one way out. To develop awareness among the children and parents about education is really necessary. Elaborating hard is important for self satisfaction and matching shoulders with the pacing world. Another approach to this issue is to develop technology. Technology is a powerful tool that can aid to transform education. Moving on to the next slide. Okay, our team, Coding Ventures, has made an application for underprivileged kids of age group 6 to 15 years named the Maths Grip app. We would love to share their experience while using the app.
Shubham, I request you to play the video, please.
Introduce yourself. Hi everyone, I am Piyush Kumar, a student of Disha Sima Center. The AB Model School student have made an app for Marathon 2020. I am going to give review for that. Yes, it is good. The trick given in this app is really helpful to improve numerical ability. Thank you.
Moving on to the
So
next slide.
here,
Our solution at a glance. In this, as already said earlier, we have made an app named the MathsGrip app. So these are some of the pictures that shows the interface of our app. The first picture shows a home page. The second one shows one of the question of our app that is that will help you in increase your multiplication ability, numerical ability, help you calculate faster. Picture number 3 shows three tricks that includes trick 1, trick 2, and miscellaneous. And where picture number 4 is the certificate which will be awarded to each user after completion of each level. So this will help raising up the spirit of the user and help him play along all the time. So moving on to the next slide. Hereby we conclude, and thank you
And thank
everyone
you,
and have a
everyone.
nice day.